Hi friends, I'm Marcy. Welcome to Groovy Mathematics. In our past video, we discussed about the above the number above the base and a number below the base multiplication for base 10. Today we are going to discuss about above the base a number and another number below the base for base 100. Can we go for the problems? Come on. The first problem is 104 into 97. Okay, both 104 and 97 are closer to the base 100, isn't it? Yes, they are closer to the base 100, and 104 is above the base and 97 is below the base. Okay, next what I have to do? I have to split my answer into two parts, that is the LHS and the RHS. Okay, for my LHS, what I have to do? I have to take the numbers directly, that is 104 and 97 directly. And for my RHS, what I'll be doing? I have to subtract this number by the base. So 104 minus 100 gives me 4, and 97 minus 100 gives me minus 3. So my RHS is my 4 and minus 3. Next step, what I have to do for my LHS? For my LHS, I have to go for the cross addition. So 104 minus 3 and 97 plus 4 gives me the LHS answer, which is 101. And for my RHS, what I have to do? I have to multiply the answers which I have got by subtracting. So here it's 4 and minus 3, and multiplying those two, I'll be getting minus 12. So my answer 104 into 97 is equal to, this minus 12 can be written as 12 bar. So it is 10112 bar. Okay, next 10112 bar. This is a Vinculum number. Now I have to convert this Vinculum number into a whole number, isn't it? Yes. For that, I am going to split the number into two parts. That is the positive number and the bar number part. For the bar number part, I have to go for Vinculum of the bar number. So 9 minus 1 and last thing from 10 minus. That is all from 9 and the last from 10. Okay, for this second unum, what I have to do? I have to go for the second unum, means I have to subtract it by 1, isn't it? Yes, I am going to subtract this by 1. So subtracting it by 1 will give me 100. So 10112 bar gives me 10088. Okay, then what would be my answer? 104 into 97 is equal to 10,088. Okay, yes, okay. Come on, let's go for the next problem. Next problem is 113 into 98, somewhat bigger number, isn't it? Yes, 113 into 98, for that the base is 100. Yeah, 113 is above the base and 98 is below the base. Okay, now next I'm going to split my answer into two parts, that is the LHS and my RHS. For my left hand part, what I have to do? I have to take the numbers directly, which is 113 and 98. And for my RHS, I have to subtract the numbers by the base. So 113 minus 100 gives me 13, and 98 minus 100 gives me minus 2. Okay, I have got the first step of my LHS and my RHS. For my second step, what I have to do? For my LHS, I have to cross it, and for my RHS, I have to multiply the answer which I have got by subtracting. Okay, 113 minus 2 or 98 plus 30 gives me 111, and 13 into minus 2 gives me minus 26. Okay, then what would be the answer? 113 into 98 is equal to 11126 bar. Okay, now I have to convert this bar number, the Vinculum number which I have got here, into the whole positive number, isn't it? Yes, for that what I am going to do? I am going to split the number into the two parts, that is a part with a positive number and other part with the Vinculum number. Okay, splitting out, what I will be getting? 101. Finding the eikonunum of 101 will gives me 110, and Vinculum of 26, that is all from 9 and last from 10 of 26 will give me 74. So my answer is equal to 11074. So 113 into 98 is equal to okay. Let's go for the next problem. Next problem is 102 into 98. 102 into 98 will give me both the numbers are closer to which base? Both are closer to the base 100. Okay. Now what will be the next step? I have to split my answer into two parts, that is the LHS and my RHS. And for my LHS, what I'll be getting, I'll be going for the numbers directly, isn't it? For the LHS, I'll be going for the numbers directly, and for my RHS, I'm going to subtract these numbers by the base. So subtracting the number by the base will be giving me 102 minus 100 will give me 2, and 98 minus 100 gives me minus 2. Okay, what would be the next step? Next step, I have to go for the cross addition for LHS, and for my RHS, I have to multiply the numbers which I have got by subtraction. Okay, okay. So it gives 100 and minus 4. And just a minute, pause for a minute and check the number of digits in the RHS. Here, the number of digits in the RHS is just single digit. But how many digits should be there in the RHS? Number of digits in the RHS should correspond to the number of zeros in the base, isn't it? Yes, but here we are having only one. I have to convert this number into a two-digit number, isn't it? Yes, so I'm adding a 0 before the number and it becomes minus 4. And some will be having a doubt here. We are adding a 0. Should I have to make this 0 as a bar number, or should I have to leave it and just take 4 only as a bar number? Just think, the whole number which is there in the RHS is a negative number, isn't it? Yes, so what I have to do is, I have to take the whole number, the whole 04 as a Vinculum number. So consider taking it as a Vinculum number, 04 whole bar. Okay, the 0 also corresponds here to the bar number. Okay, it is also under the bar as minus 4, let it be minus 4 or let it be minus 04. Both are the negative number. So adding as many zeros before the 4 does not change the, what is that? Negativity of that number, isn't it? It's a negative number. So we have to make it as a bar number including the zeros. Okay, is it clear? Okay, come on, what would be the next step? 102 into 98 will give me 10004 bar, and then I have to convert this 10004 bar into a positive number. For that, I am going to split my number, the whole number as one part and the bar numbers at the other part. For the whole number, I am going to go for Ekanunum, and for bar number, I am going to go for Nikelum. So it gives me the Ekanunum of 100 is 99 and Nikelum of 04 is 96. So 102 into 98 gives me 9996. Okay. Okay. What's the next part? What's the next question? Can we see? Come on. The next question is 118 into 90. Both are closer to the which base? They both are closer to base 100. Okay. What will be my next problem? Next problem. For my LHS, I'll be getting the next step is 118 to and 90 is the numbers. I'm taking the numbers directly. And for my RHS, I have to subtract these numbers by the base. Subtract these numbers by the base, isn't it? Yes, I am going to subtract it by the base. So my RHS becomes 18 and minus 10. Okay, okay. What will be my next step of my LHS? For my LHS, next step is cross addition, and for my RHS, I have to multiply the answers which I have got by subtraction. So what I'll be getting? My answer will be my 108 for my LHS and minus 180 for RHS. Again, pause for a minute and check it there. There, I am having minus 180. It is a 3-digit number, but I should have only a 2-digit number. Come on, let's split it out. By splitting this number, I am first making it as a bar number 1, 8 bar and 0 bar. Isn't it? Is it correct or not? Yes. Okay. Next, what I have to do? I have to take the last 2 digits. So I have to consider only the last 2 digits for my RHS, and the exceeding digits which were left preceding the number which I have taken for RHS has to be taken over to the LHS, isn't it? Yes. So I am taking this 1 bar to the LHS and I am going to add it there. So adding a 1 bar, what will happen? I am adding 1 bar. It is, what does it mean? Adding 1 bar means minus subtracting the number by 1. So it gives me, what will be the answer here? It is 107. Okay. It provides me 107. And here in my RHS, what will be the answer? What will be left out? Only the 80 bar. So my RHS will be 80 bar and my LHS will be 107. So 118 into 90 is equal to 10780 bar. Okay, next what I have to do? I have to convert this Vinculum number into the whole number, isn't it? Yes, come on, let's go. Converting it gives me 10780 bar. Splitting the numbers first. For the whole number, I have to go for the Vinculum, and for the bar number, I have to go for the Vinculum, isn't it? Yes, taking the Vinculum of 107 gives me 106 and Vinculum of 80. Last digit is 0, so 8 will be considered as the last digit. So I have to apply only the tens complement here. So 10 minus 8 gives me 2, so it's 20. Okay, so 107 80 bar is equal to 10620. So 118 into 90 is equal to 10620. Okay, okay. Now frame many questions, as many questions as you can by your own, and then solve it. And this method of problems can be applied. Where's the application? Was the question of many of you, and it can be applied to profit and loss problems, and also in the percentage problems where the numbers will be more or less, it would be closer to the base 100, isn't it? Yes, in those places you can apply this methodology and solve it within the seconds without going for steps and steps of long multiplication. Okay, don't go for it and just practice it with it. Okay, and if you have any doubts, please share it in the comment box or else mail me. I'll get back to you. And if you have not subscribed at my channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends too. Okay, bye. Thank you.